Hello again, here on KubeCon in Paris, second day, talking to NetApp.
Hi.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Shiri.
Shiri.
Thank you.
So we're here at KubeCon and we saw that NetApp was here, but you're probably here not, you're here as NetApp, but what are the companies that you're representing here especially?
So we're NetApp's Cloud Ops division. We come with a suite of products that help you basically run Kubernetes on cloud. We do optimization for cloud compute more than storage. So if you have any compute that you run on cloud, could be Kubernetes, could be not Kubernetes, we have solutions to help you optimize, save costs, and basically be more efficient with your cloud usage.
So, talking about that, what is the difference between Spot and Instaclustr then?
There's a huge difference. So Spot is a suite of products that have DevOps and FinOps. We have FinOps solutions to help you manage all of your subscriptions.
Yep.
That's one element of what we do. And then the DevOps option basically replaces the infrastructure management layer that your DevOps engineers are currently using. So it helps them focus on the application layer versus the infrastructure layer. What Instaclustr does is they help you manage your open source databases, right? So if you're using open source databases, we have a service and support services that you can use. So to help utilize and use them better in terms of best practices and in terms of getting the most out of your open source product.
And that's really interesting, right? So a lot of companies are struggling with how do we do Kubernetes? How do we make sure that everything is up and running, but also keep the finances in place, in check. So we're here at the KubeCon event. For me, it's the first one. My colleague has been here once more, but he's been in Valencia. What do you think about the event in general?
I think KubeCon is a great event. We see a lot of technical people coming here, so our conversations are mostly focused on the tech elements of the platforms.
Yeah.
Moreover, I would say that we see an improvement year over year. So last year we were there, and it was still, I would say, mostly people that were just recovering, getting out of COVID and getting all of the people back out.
Yeah.
This year we have a lot more people interested in actual deep conversations. We ran more demos. A lot of conversations about the different clouds, different hyperscalers. So a lot of interest. It's a really good conference this year.
That's really awesome to hear. I think what you mentioned, we see that as well. We kind of feel that it's the old VM rules, the old Cisco lives, let's put it that way. But there is, like you said, there is a different audience.
There is.
You mentioned infrastructure, but I think there is a lot of mingling in between the dev and the ops.
Yeah.
You see that as well?
Yeah, for sure. We see a lot of platform engineering as well this year. So
Yeah.
a lot of people coming in, not just as developers or DevOps, a lot of people that are looking at a more holistic solution, looking at their storage and their optimization and the compute and cost savings. And that's what makes it a very interesting discussion to have this year.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for talking to me, and I hope the event really turns out a big success for NetApp as well.
I hope so too. Thank you.
Thank you.